I think Christians have misunderstood the Bible and misunderstand the nature of God. Now, I'm not saying I know, I don't know, but I've asked a number of so called leaders of the Christian faith, and I can't get an answer. So, I'm not saying I'm right, I'm just saying I'm not getting an answer, and I have these questions. And it's this: Christians believe God is all knowing, all powerful, all good. But God, in His own words in Genesis, indicates a different, you know, set of qualities. For example, in Genesis 1, chapter 10, God called the dry ground land, and God saw that it was good. Same thing in Genesis 1:12. Vegetation, plants bearing, and God saw that it was good. Genesis 1:18. And God saw that it was good. The night versus the day. And so on and so forth. I don't know how many, let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 proclamations that what God created was declared good. And finally, God sat back and He says, all that He had made, and this is Genesis 1, chapter 31, all that He had made, and it was very good. So He declares everything that He created was very good. But then we have Eve's, sin, I guess. We have Cain killing Abel. And all of these things, indicated that his creation wasn't anywhere near good. In fact, the very first humans He made, Adam and Eve, proved to be not good. And then we get to the great flood, and this is what God says to Noah in Genesis 6, chapter 6. The Lord regretted that He had made human beings on the earth, and His heart was troubled. I will wipe from the face of the earth the human race I have created, and with them the animals, the birds, and the creatures that move along the ground, for I regret that I have made them. Well, how can God say it was all good in the very beginning and then have to destroy it because He regrets making them? It's wickedness of the human race. The Lord saw how great the wickedness of the human race had become on the earth. I don't know, if these are the actual words of God, then where are Christians getting this notion that God is all good, all knowing, all just? It just doesn't add up, and no one that I have asked that seem to be experts on the Bible have explained how God can say one thing and then say and contradict the very thing He said. So God can't be all good. I mean, if you look at this world, the world functions according to physical laws, the laws of the universe. And one of those laws is the second law of thermodynamics, which says all things tend towards disorder. So here we have a world created by God, which he claims is all good, yet in place, what he created is the second law of thermodynamics, which says all things tend towards disorder. It's a built-in law that everything sort of goes to disorder. It isn't a universe that wants to do good. It's a universe that wants to fall apart and disintegrate. So it seems to me, and again, I just don't know, but I'm not getting any answers by the so-called brilliant minds on the Bible on how God could say one thing and then contradict himself in both words and deeds. I mean, he destroyed the Great Flood was another effort to sort of wipe it all clean, wipe the slate clean and start from scratch with Noah, and hopefully but he got it wrong. So, everything God wanted to do to make it good, it failed. I mean, he tried to start over with Noah. That didn't work. And then, he sent his son, Jesus, to save the world. And that doesn't seem to have worked. So this whole notion, I'm just saying that what God had said and proclaimed shows that God makes mistakes. He doesn't know what he's doing. He can't tell the truth. I mean, let's not say he lied to us about making, that everything was good. It's just that he didn't know he was wrong, that nothing that he made was going to be good, and he would have to destroy it. Anyway, I'm just, I'm just putting this out there because I want someone to explain it to me, because I just think Christians have it wrong. All right, well, that'll do it for now. Thanks for listening.